Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Trackies, our athletes have been enjoying themselves since they have arrived in Budapest, Hungary. So I have some sights and sounds for you from our Jamaican athletes that we all know and love.
World
Alright, Navi. We're there. Can't believe we made it.
We made it, bro. We made it, bro. I'm quite emotional right now. We're at Worlds.
What a people's champ.
Good energy. See the rain? The rain is a blessing, you know. Blessing at the flow when the prayer gone up. You see me, so let's post a word of prayer. And I know, say, yo, Team Jamaica out here.
Larger than charge.
Representing. Remember good.
Larger than charge.
Larger than charge.
Is to put together a proper 100. As I said, I wrote my goals this year and I wrote each important time what I wanted. Most of them I've achieved.